In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the things you need to look out for before opening a crypto exchange account. If you stay with me to the end of this video, there are a lot of things that you are going to learn. It's going to save you like a lot of time, and it's going to save your money, and it's going to save you from what fraud in the future. So there are a lot of crypto exchanges, and you might want to follow some of these things that I'm going to show you here. If you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Joseph Sesay, and this is the Joseph Sesay concept. Without wasting time, let's jump right into this video. I'll be checking out my note that I've prepared for you guys in order not to miss anything. All right. So the first thing you need to look out for is what? Reputation and security. All right. You need to always look out for what? The reputation of a particular company or a particular exchange. You need to ask yourself, have this particular crypto exchange, all right, like secure any kind of like what ditches in the past, all right? Have they been hacked before and all that? If they have been hacked, then you might want to ask yourself, is this particular cryptocurrency exchange safe for me? All right. So if they have been hacked, which means like there is a kind of like what threat. Okay. So you need to look out for, and security is like paramount. Apart from the KYC, which means know your customer, they need what? An exchange need extra features. Features like, let's say, the Google authenticator setting, all right, your like other verification which you need to do, your email, your phone number, all these are kind of like what extra layer. So if like an exchange have never been hacked before and they have like a lot of security process in order for you to open an exchange, then it is what good to go. The second thing you need to look out for is what? Supported cryptocurrencies. You don't want to open a cryptocurrency exchange where they have like only few cryptocurrencies, all right, for trading. All right. Trading basically means what? The buying and selling, all right, of what? Cryptocurrency, crypto trading. So like you need a cryptocurrency wherein they have like what? Lot of what? Cryptos, all right, lot of cryptocurrency to trade, all right. So basically like when you have like a lot of cryptocurrency, which means you have like a lot of what? Varieties to choose from. But if they have like just 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cryptocurrency, then it's going to be like problem. All right. Let's say they probably like announce this particular one. You saw this particular token or this particular coin that you want to buy, and you check a particular cryptocurrency and it's not available. It's going to be what? A problem. So you must look out for like cryptocurrency, a particular exchange account. All right. A particular exchange must have like what? Lot of cryptocurrency was to trade. And thirdly, the third thing you need to look out for is when it comes to like what? Fees and charges. All right. Like this one, trust me, you might see like this charges like a little bit low, $1, $2, $3, depending on the amount you are trading. When you calculate this like weekly, monthly, or annually, this is going to be like huge amount of money. All right. You need to look out for a cryptocurrency exchange. All right. That's what the fees and the charges are very low. You might be paying trading fees if you are doing derivative, all right, or if you are doing futures trading, then definitely you are going to be paying fees and all that. Even when you are trying to buy also for the long term, all right, you are basically like doing, they are going to be paying fees. All right, so guys, so before I continue further, if you are watching me for the first time, I'm Joseph, and this is Joseph Sesay Concept. I'm an international student currently studying in Turkey and also a crypto trader. So this is just the third episode of Cryptos for Beginners. If you have not watched the first and second episode, kindly ensure you watch them. The first episode is where I talk about crypto terminologies for beginners, all the 59 words you need to know as a beginner crypto trader. And the second one is like some of the tools, all right, you are going to need as a crypto trader. And I also mentioned about what the crypto exchange that I recommended. So you can basically check that out. And if you want to join our Telegram group, just check the link will be in the description section. You can totally join for free. And if you have not subscribed, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video to others. Let's get back to the video. So the fourth thing you want to look for is what? The user interface. All right. The user interface of a particular exchange what must be friendly. It must be especially beginner friendly. Whether you are a newbie or you are what an advanced, all right, or a professional trader, you need a crypto exchange that is what very friendly, at least which you can navigate, all right. You can navigate from one area to another area without facing any challenges. To open an account in a particular exchange must be what? Very easy. All right, it must not take you more than 5 minutes. Whether you want to do verification and everything, it must be very easy. So the user interface must be very friendly, more especially when it comes to beginners traders. You don't want to go for and open an exchange that is going to be very difficult, that is going to be very challenging for you. All right, to open an account, to do your verification is going to be very challenging. You need to look out for an exchange that is what very easy to open an account. All right. And the fifth thing is, this one is very important: liquidity. All right, liquidity. Like basically, when you choose an exchange that have high liquidity for a particular token or a crypto you're trading, this is going to help you in the execution of rights, and it's going to help you what with your slippage. Okay, if you don't know what is slippage and other price execution, what the episode one, I explain all these terminologies. That's what I did first for you to understand the terminologies. So whenever I try to mention a particular what crypto term, you are going to understand the meaning. So the link will be in the description if you want to watch the episode one. So this is going to help you with what liquidity. All right, liquidity is very important when you want to trade a particular cryptocurrency. When there is high liquidity, it's going to help you in terms of what the price, and it's going to help you in terms of what slippage. All right, where you execute your particular price. All right, where your particular price is being executed is not going to be far. All right, otherwise you are going to like what lose like a lot of money as well if you have like what the token have like low liquidity in a particular crypto exchange. The sixth one, this is, I can't just stress about this. This one is so important. This is so important. Customer support. You need a cryptocurrency exchange, all right, that the customer support is what 24/7, that is very active. If you have like any kind of challenges, because challenges might arise at any time. If you have like any challenges, you can reach out to the customer support and see. You don't want to just like send message to the customer support, or you send an email and it's going to take you like 3 4 5 weeks. Maybe you have challenges doing this, withdrawing your money or doing this and all that. So you need to reach out to the customer support, and they must be able to respond to you as soon as possible. Right, so customer support is very necessary. And this order, the sixth thing is what deposit and withdrawal. Yeah, now this is like what money talks. So let's talk about this. It can be with debit or credit card. It can be in different forms. All right, so when a cryptocurrency have like a lot of like options, then it makes it very easy, all right, for its customers. So you need to check out this particular thing. This is like very important. Don't go and open an account in an extent where they have only one or two options, all right, or probably there's nothing for you in your country, all right, or the payment option that are available is not like being supported in your country. Is going to be what very challenging for you. So you need to look at those things, all right, how to what the deposit process and the withdrawal process. How easy it is for you to deposit when you transfer money from your bank. How long is it going to take for it to arrive, all right, to your exchange? And when you withdraw money again, how long is it going to take for you for the money to arrive to your exchange account? All right. So the eighth one is what the mobile app. All right. So basically, for crypto beginners trader, most of like the people might say like you need what a computer, laptop. You need like laptop. Like for me, I have like laptop. All right, laptop. That's not the problem. But for most beginner traders, you guys don't have like what laptop to trade. So you need a crypto exchange that supports what your mobile application, mobile trading. Okay, you need like a cryptocurrency exchange that supports mobile trading, and the interface must be friendly, because you are going to be using what your phone to do your trading and orders. If you have not watched episode 2 of this particular a crypto trading for beginners, make sure you watch, because I shared 4 free tools that you are going to need as a beginner crypto trader. They are totally free, no money is required. So it's going to help you if you have a crypto exchange that is like the interface is very friendly. Combination of those tools can make you a very what profitable trader depending on your strategy. The next thing you want to look for in a cryptocurrency exchange before opening a cryptocurrency exchange account is what educational resources. This one is very important. Education is key and it's very like necessary. You need a cryptocurrency account that provides you what tutorials, that provides you videos, that provides you different things, all right, that gives you what updates about cryptocurrency stuff, related materials. At least you are going to keep learning more, especially if you are a newbie in the cryptocurrency space. Definitely you need a cryptocurrency that provide educational resources, all right, that provide like basically quiz and other things as well. And the last one is what? The community and the review. You need like a community, all right, a cryptocurrency with what? Good reviews. You might check the internet and see past reviews. What are previous customers saying? The best way for you to figure out, for you to know if a cryptocurrency exchange is good or not, like it's by you checking what reviews. You go to what Play Store, all right, you go to App Store to check the review of what the application, and you try to see what they are saying about this. And you can also go to what Google, you use the search engine, and you just basically like try to glance a little bit about what other customers are saying about what this particular cryptocurrency exchange. So guys, basically these are the things you are supposed to look for, all right, before opening a cryptocurrency account. As mentioned in episode 2, the exchanges that I recommend as of now, the one that I'm using Binance and I'm using Bybit. If you want to open any of these exchange account, please kindly check the description section. The links will be available and you can open. And if you use my link, all right, to open, you are going to get 10% fees, all right, in your trading fees and all that. That's going to save you money. And there are a lot of other bonuses at least which you can also get. If you do appreciate me making this video and you want to watch episode 4, kindly ensure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video to others, and without wasting much of your time,